Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. If your Snapchat app is not working for your iPhone, then stay tuned. I've got solutions how to fix this problem. Let's get started. Before I start with solution 1, check if the servers are down first. Right, let's start with solution 1. Here goes. Switch off your iPhone off and on again. So restart it, reboot. Solution 2. On your iPhone or iPad, toggle off mobile data and Wi-Fi, close Snapchat app and switch off mobile data back on and launch Snapchat app again. Solution 3. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage and select Snapchat. Tap onto Offload App and then reinstall the app. Solution 4. Try logging in with using the web browser until you find a permanent fix. And finally guys, comment below if any of these solutions has helped you and which one. Thank you for watching and I will catch you on the next video.